Implicit differentiation
So
part 3.
here we are about to find dy dx of this function 4x squared y to the 7 minus 2x, which is equals to x squared plus 4y cubed. So we are going to use the product rule here, so that 8x multiplied by y7 plus 4x squared multiplied by 7y to the 6 dy dx minus 2 is equals to 5x to the exponent 4 plus 12y to the 2. So we have to collect like terms. Here we have dy dx as always. We have 4x squared 7y to the 6 dy dx minus 12y squared dy dx is equals to 5x to the 4 plus 2 minus 8x y to the 7. I'm going to take dy dx out here. I'll be left with 4x squared 7y to the 6 minus 12y squared, which will be equal to 5x to the 4 plus 2 minus 8xy to the 7. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 4x squared 7y 6 minus 12y squared. What I do on the left I also do on the right. 4x squared 7y to the 6 minus 12y squared. So this will cancel this. Okay, let me create a space. Let me use a different color just to see the variation. So therefore my dy dx will be equal to 5x to the 4 plus 2 minus 8x y to the 7, all being divided by 4x squared y 7y to the 6 minus 12y squared. The next question has to do with tan. So we know that the first derivative of tan is sec squared. Then we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside, and the derivative of inside is going to use the product rule, so that we are going to have 2x y to the 4 plus x squared multiplied by 4y cubed dy dx, which is equal to 3 plus 2y dy dx. So next thing I have to remove the brackets so that we have dy dx. So here I'm going to have 2x y to the 4 sec squared x squared y to the 4 plus 4 x squared y cubed sec squared x squared y to the 4 dy dx minus 2y dy dx is equals to 3. So here if I take dy, let me take this on the other side with the cosine, then take dy dx here as a common factor, so that how we have dy dx dx I'll be equal to 4x squared y cubed sec squared x squared y to the 4 minus 2y is equals to 3 minus 2xy to the 4 sec squared x squared y to the 4. So therefore dy dx is going to be equal to 3 minus 2 xy to the 4 sec squared x squared y to the 4, all divided by 4x squared y cubed sec squared x squared y to the 4 then minus 2y. Thank you.